Hi there. How are you doing? I hope fine. I just wanted to talk briefly today about seeds, not tomato seeds, although I've harvested quite a few of my golden boy or yellow boy, as some people call them, of those tomatoes, and some of my San Maranzo as well. But I wanted to talk about mustard seed just briefly and talk to you about, well, problems, mountains, stresses, things that just don't seem to be able to be accomplished, to be corrected or gotten past or over or around. Those things in our lives that cause us a lot of stress and distress. And in Matthew 17:20, Jesus tells us, I assure you, even if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, like the mustard color of my top, you could say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it would move. Nothing would be impossible. We kind of forget that a lot when we're kind of in the midst of a lot of things in our lives, but it's true. It's been proven to me and probably to you numerous times, and we can rely on the power and the strength, the ability of God to move our mountains, show us how to get past and remove the mountain from in front of us. It doesn't seem so big anymore. I just wanted to share with you a song I finished today called Gardening with God, just a few verses of it. You wake me every morning, praise to you I sing. I'll face another day 'cause I'm walking with the King. Though round about me rushes worldly cares and woes, in my heart reigns gladness and love that overflows. I'll sow and I'll water, by him I will be fed, working in the field of faith, building lives for God, hand in hand with others, growing in his will, with faith as a mustard seed, nothing is impossible. Amen. See you later, friends. God bless you all.